Alright, so I'm sorry if this isn't the best quality video. It's my first YouTube video and I'm just using my phone to record, but I just wanted to show you guys this cool machine I got and the work it can do. This is what I've done so far. It's cleared all this. Blackberry was along the fence. Weeds were everywhere. It's a fire compliance job, as that's a big thing out here. But another cool thing is this has electric start, so press and hold this right here and it will start it. But yeah, let's get back to mowing. I might even set my phone down and get a time lapse going for you guys. Nothing really exciting yet, it's just cutting through the grass and the weeds, but this is just the first section of the fire compliance we gotta do for this client, as he recently got a citation for the weeds and everything. It's a top compliance job, but yeah, there you guys go. Alright, we got some thicker grass coming up. I'll show you how it runs through that. Is there anything it can't cut? Holy! Oh, there it is. It cleared that stuff so easily. God. Yep, there we go. Let's get that out. We got this big old tree stuck. Wow, I just pulled it out of the ground. There you go, tree removal too. Pulled the whole tree right out. That's crazy. Alrighty, we finished the first section here. It's all this that I cut, but let's let the mower up in here. After I do that, I just gotta put my backpack blower in there, my hedgers, the snow blade. But yeah, let's power this thing off. All you do is come over here, turn off the lights, click that, and it's off. And I gotta turn off the controller too. But yeah, I just pull this tarp out, make sure everything's all. And we'll put this stuff back in. Let's put the backpack blower in first. Sorry if the recording's not the best. I'm using my phone and I'm doing this one-handed, but yeah. This is my hedge trimmer. Ego. Put this right at the front here. Make sure it's nice and flat. Push it forward. All right, now we'll grab the controller. Set that right there. Let's put these in. I always just slide these on left or right side. It doesn't really matter what side. Yeah. Who needs a truck when you could have a Prius? Better gas mileage, and it fits just as good. See? There you go. Yeah, we cleared all of this in about 2 hours, I'd say, with that mower, and it was just tall grass, weeds. But we got all this stuff to get with that mower. Well, I do, not we. And gonna get all that. It's about 6 acres total. Gotta get that tree. But yeah, I'm excited. This machine, it's amazing so far. Did great work. Alrighty. Yeah, thanks for checking out my video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I gotta do some before and after photos of this little section I did, and I'll shoot that over to the client. And then, yeah, I'm gonna try getting this YouTube channel going since I got a cool machine to show off for you guys. Just figured I'd do that since this is gonna be the type of work I have to deal with. So yeah, it's gonna get all of this. All the way to the fence back there. Like, subscribe, the usual. Let's check out my Facebook page, my Google page with Chase's Lawn Care. I'm Chase and I run the business. I'm licensed, insured, and yep, just putting myself out there for you guys to watch and possibly even enjoy these videos of the before and after jobs. Alrighty.